Well, hey guys, today I'm on Mariner of the Seas and I'm going to take you on a little walking tour of the Challengers Arcade. This is located on the 12th deck and this is a port day. There shouldn't be too many people in here, so let's go in and take a look. Well, when we come in, it looks like you can get credits here. 10 credits, $10 all up. Yeah, got a machine here. If you didn't find a duck, you can, guess you can try to win a duck. Look like this hallway is where you try to win prizes. Try to pick up one of them stuffed animals. Alright. Tell you what, we'll just go around to the right. Looks like they got some skee ball when you come in. Guess if you like riding motorcycles, there's you. Alright, looks like there's a little room back here. I'll walk back here, then we'll come out and go around the other side. Like they got air hockey. I don't believe I've ever seen one quite like that. Of course, I'm old. That's kind of like a slanted air hockey table. Another one. All right, we'll turn around. Not real sure what that game is, but I bet you do. If you know what that is, leave me a comment. Donkey Kong. Here's some games that I grew up playing. Actually, I was a big kid, but I know Pac-Man and Donkey Kong. Well, here's the exit. That pretty much wraps up the Challengers Arcade. Well guys, if you enjoyed that video, hey, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other cruise videos. Until next time, happy cruising.